The two steps in naming covalent compounds is our lesson today. Now, remember, covalent compounds are composed of nonmetals, and nonmetals are located on the right side of the periodic table. So the first step is the first element is named first using the element's name. Then the second element is named with suffix IDE, meaning ends in IDE. Note, use prefixes to denote the number of atoms. So these are the prefixes. Mono means the atom is one. However, mono is not used to name the first element. So never use it on the first element. So di is the prefix for 2, tri 3, tetra 4, penta 5, hexa 6, hepta 7, octa 8, nona 9, deca 10. When the addition of the Greek prefix places two vowels adjacent to one another, the A or the O at the end of the Greek prefix is dropped. For example, tetraoxide. This A is dropped. So it would be written as tetroxide. And monooxide. So this O is dropped. So it is written as monoxide. While the I at the end of the prefixes like di and tri are never dropped. So example, CO2. Let us apply the two steps. The first element is named first, and using the element's name, C is carbon. The second element is named with suffix IDE or ends in IDE. So O is oxygen. It should end in IDE. So the name is oxide. And the prefix is di because it has two oxygen. So the name is dioxide. So the complete name is carbon dioxide. CO. Let us apply the two steps. The first element is named first. Okay, C is carbon. And the second element is again named with IDE ending. So oxide again is oxide. And the prefix is mono since its subscript is 1. So without any number written, it means 1. So the name is monoxide. So the complete name is carbon monoxide. Remember, mono is only applicable to the second element, never on the first element. CCl4. So let us apply the two steps. The first element again is named using the element's name. Again, C is carbon. Now, the second element is named with suffix IDE. So Cl is chlorine, but it should end in IDE. So the name is chloride. And the prefix is tetra because its subscript is 4. See, it's 4. So the name is tetrachloride. So therefore, the complete name is carbon tetrachloride. Next, N2S3. So let us apply the two steps. The first element is named first using the element's name. N is nitrogen and the prefix is di since its subscript is 2. So look at the formula, the subscript is 2. So the name is dinitrogen. Now the second element is named with suffix IDE. So S is sulfur, but it should end in IDE, so sulfide. And as you can see, the subscript, there are three subscripts. There is, three subscripts. Therefore, the prefix is tri, since its subscript is 3. So the name is trisulfide. The complete name is dinitrogen trisulfide. Dinitrogen trisulfide.